Hi friends, I am Nawiri bringing you hairstyles, vlogs, and creative ideas every week. Subscribe, let's make life colorful together. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nawiri meaning prosperity in English, and Nawiri itself means prosperity still. Prosperity in Swahili is Nawiri. Yeah. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple hair extension that is curly and bouncy, okay? So you're gonna need a dragon clip, the one you're seeing me hold. You're gonna need a crochet, and you're gonna use Havana curl or any other curly hair of your choice, darlings, of your choice. So first of all, I'm going to wrap the dragon clip. The reason why I call it a dragon clip is because it has teeth-like structures that will help you grasp your hair when you're putting on the extension. It won't fall off even if you're doing your chores or you're walking around, jumping around, it won't fall. So you will start by wrapping the dragon clip with any hair, or you can use a Brazilian wool. For braiders, you know what a Brazilian wool is, and you can use also Afro kinky. Any hair can wrap so long as it has this like natural hair feel, like the natural human hair, not natural human hair, like the fluffy kinky, yeah, rough hair, so that it just covers around the clip. So this will give you a base on where you will crochet now the Havana curl or any curly hair that you're using. Okay, so that's how it is. I've already wrapped it, so I'm going in with my Havana curl that I've already parted using any leave-in conditioner. Others, let's say you don't have a conditioner, just use water, it's okay. And then you'll start crocheting one by one until you make the whole band to be full. So mine, I used Havana curl number 30, that is ginger brown, so that when I put it on my head as an extension, you're able to see the difference. But you can use any color. You can use black, you can use brown, you can use any color you have, or any other hair. And alternatively, you can also use a normal braid. You just take your braid, part it, and then make curls from it. Just roll the braid on a peg or this rollers, and then immerse it into hot water, and you will get your curls. And start crocheting the braid that is already curled on the teeth like clip, and there you have it. You need to be creative to save money, okay? You need to be creative, and anyone can do this. If I can do this, you can do it. Yes. So you can make as many hair extensions as possible. And on my channel, I'm gonna show you all my hair extensions that most of my friends have seen it, or maybe I know you, my viewers, others know me, so you get to watch and see every extension that you've ever seen me with. So this is how I make them. Yes, there are those that I can use sorry, there are those that I make from weaves. There are those that are just wigs. I just attach them. I just find a way of attaching extensions on my hair, and it just looks great. So far so good. We are continuing to crochet and crochet. It's actually fun and therapeutic to do this. Forgive me, there is a lot of background noise because I'm at work, but I had to do this video because people were really asking for it. They were like, I want you to show us how you make your extensions. And I'm gonna show you a very simple one on how to attach a simple extension on your head, the one that you use braids. Some of us, we still don't know how to attach a normal hair extension made from braids to our own hair at home. You must find a salon somewhere so that they can do that for you. What if you live in the bush? Yeah? Ama umeomoka ukaenda off-grid. Will you still look for a salon? Come on. That's why you need to stay on this channel. You need to switch on the notification button so that it tells you when I upload new videos. Support your own. Yeah? Oh, finally, we're here. That's how it looks. It's very nice. But mine, I've just used a quarter a pack just for demonstration. But you can do better than me, darling. So I'm gonna try it on. You see how it looks? I know it will look amazing. I used ginger brown so that it brings the contrast with my black hair. You see how it is. So you will just clip the clip there. It has like two hooks that cross each other. Just look at that. Look at that, babies. Now imagine if it was black like my hair. Could be popping, right? There you have it. There you have it. Ta-da! You can also do, okay, hapo nilikuwa nainama thinking that my camera is showing you how it looks down. It's showing you how it looks behind, but in vain. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace.